Join Money Smart Basics on this journey to see if vitality really equals prosperity. I'm taking on the challenge to transform my health and wealth mindset. Follow along to see how small changes can make a big impact. Let's get prosperous together. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. We all have dreams that fuel our ambitions and drive us forward. We yearn for financial freedom, the kind that allows us to live without constraints and enjoy the fruits of our labor. We seek lives filled with purpose and passion, where every day feels meaningful and fulfilling. But what if I told you the key to unlocking this abundance resides within you right now? It's closer than you think. It's not a magic formula or a lottery ticket, it's your health. True wealth is holistic, encompassing both body and mind. It's about vitality, mental sharpness, and the energy to pursue your ambitions with unwavering focus. Imagine having the stamina to chase your dreams relentlessly. Ignoring your health is like building a castle on sand. It may look impressive at first, but it's inherently unstable. You might see initial progress, but without a strong foundation, it will crumble. The effort and time invested will be in vain. Think of your body as the engine of your success. A well-maintained engine drives you forward efficiently. A high-performance machine needs premium fuel, regular maintenance, and periods of rest. This ensures it runs smoothly and performs at its best. Neglecting these essentials leads to breakdowns, sluggishness, and ultimately failure to reach your full potential. The journey becomes arduous and unfulfilling. Investing in your health isn't selfish. It's the smartest financial decision you can make. It's an investment in your future. It's about maximizing your greatest asset, you, so you can show up fully in every area of your life. When you thrive, everything around you flourishes. For years, we've separated mind and body, treating them as distinct entities as if they operate in isolation. But science now confirms what ancient wisdom has always known. They are inextricably linked, forming a complex, interdependent relationship. Your physical state directly impacts your mental and emotional well-being, and vice versa. A healthy body fosters a healthy mind, creating a harmonious balance. Studies by the American Psychological Association have shown that exercise, even in short bursts, elevates mood, reduces stress hormones, and improves cognitive function. Regular physical activity can be a powerful tool for mental health. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about thinking clearly, making sharper decisions, and having the mental stamina to overcome challenges. A well-maintained body supports a resilient mind. When you nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods, you're also feeding your brain. The nutrients you consume play a crucial role in brain function and overall mental health. Research from Harvard Medical School links a Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, to improved memory and reduced risk of cognitive decline. This diet supports both physical and mental longevity. The mind-body connection is a powerful force influencing every aspect of our lives. By harnessing it, you unlock a world of possibilities, both physically and financially. Embracing this synergy can lead to a more fulfilling, balanced, and successful life. Movement is medicine. It's not just about building muscles, it's about building resilience, focus, and mental clarity. When you move your body, you literally change your brain chemistry, releasing endorphins that elevate mood and combat stress. Regular exercise enhances blood flow to the brain, improving memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. Think of it as a workout for your mind as well as your body, but it doesn't require grueling workouts to reap the benefits. Find an activity you enjoy, walking, dancing, swimming, and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Even short bursts of movement throughout the day can make a significant difference. The key is consistency. Make movement a habit, and watch as your energy soars and your mind becomes sharper than ever before. Imagine trying to run a high-performance car on low-quality fuel. You wouldn't expect optimal performance, would you? Your body is the same. What you put into your body directly impacts your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Highly processed foods, laden with sugar and unhealthy fats, lead to energy crashes, brain fog, and diminished productivity. Instead, fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These provide the building blocks for optimal brain function, sustained energy, and long-term health. Hydration is equally crucial. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including nutrient absorption, waste removal, and temperature regulation. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Section 5. Mastering your sleep sanctuary. In our fast-paced world, sleep is often sacrificed. But skimping on sleep is like withdrawing from your energy bank without making deposits. You might get away with it in the short term, but eventually, you'll go bankrupt. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and prepares for the day ahead. Chronic sleep deprivation wreaks havoc on your physical and mental health, increasing your risk of chronic diseases, impairing cognitive function, and hindering your ability to make sound decisions. Make sleep a non-negotiable priority. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. When you prioritize sleep, you're investing in your productivity, your well-being, and ultimately, your financial success. Section 6. Stress, the silent wealth killer. Stress is more than just an inconvenience, it's a silent saboteur of your health and wealth. It creeps into your life unnoticed, slowly eroding your well-being and financial stability. Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that over time can lead to a cascade of negative effects including weight gain, sleep disturbances, and a weakened immune system. This constant state of stress increases your risk of heart disease, depression, and other serious health issues. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. When your mind is consumed by stress, it's difficult to focus on your goals, make sound decisions, or even think clearly. Your productivity plummets and your ability to achieve success is compromised. Stress also stifles creativity, making it hard to come up with new ideas or solutions. You find yourself stuck, unable to move forward. Stress keeps you stuck in survival mode, unable to fully thrive. It's like being trapped in a never-ending loop of anxiety and pressure. Identify your stress triggers and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, and engaging in hobbies can all help reduce stress levels. Connecting with loved ones, practicing mindfulness, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle are powerful stress relievers. These activities can help you regain control and find peace. Remember, you can't eliminate stress entirely, but you can learn to manage it effectively. Acknowledging stress is the first step towards managing it. By incorporating relaxation techniques and stress management strategies into your daily routine, you can mitigate its impact. This way you preserve your health and protect your most valuable asset, yourself. Taking proactive steps to manage stress can lead to a happier, healthier, and more prosperous life. Section 7. Breathe your way to abundance. Your breath is a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing your well-being. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and mind. Practice deep breathing exercises regularly throughout the day, especially when you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Even a few minutes of focused breathing can make a world of difference, reducing stress hormones, lowering blood pressure, and improving focus and clarity. Make breath work a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, and experience the transformative power of this simple yet profound practice. Section 8. The power of positive momentum. Success breeds success. When you start experiencing the positive effects of taking care of your health, you create an upward spiral of momentum. Feeling more energized and focused motivates you to make healthier choices, which in turn leads to even greater well-being. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Did you drink more water today? Eat a nutritious meal? Fit in a workout? Acknowledge and appreciate your efforts. Positive reinforcement strengthens your commitment to your health goals and fuels your desire to keep pushing forward. Remember, consistency is key. Section 9. Cultivating an abundance mindset. True wealth is not just about money, it's about an abundance mindset. It's about believing in your limitless potential, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, and approaching life with gratitude and optimism. When you cultivate an abundance mindset, you open yourself up to new possibilities and attract greater prosperity into your life. You start to see setbacks as temporary and opportunities as endless. Practice gratitude daily. Focus on the good in your life, no matter how small. Surround yourself with positive influences and limit your exposure to negativity. Section 10. The gift of giving. When you prioritize your health and well-being, you have more energy and resources to give back to others. Whether it's volunteering your time, donating to a cause you care about, or simply being there for a friend in need, giving back not only benefits others but also brings a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose to your own life. Find a cause that resonates with you and get involved. Giving back doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Remember, true wealth is not just about what you accumulate, but about what you contribute. Section 11. Health, your greatest wealth. Never underestimate the profound connection between your health and your wealth. When you prioritize your well-being, you're not just investing in your physical health. You're investing in your mental clarity, your emotional resilience, and your overall capacity to create the life of your dreams. Make the commitment today to prioritize your health. Nourish your body with nutritious foods, move your body regularly, prioritize sleep, manage stress effectively, and cultivate an abundance mindset. Remember, you are your greatest asset. Invest in your health and unlock the extraordinary potential that resides within you. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. This is why you need to invest in your health. Health is the new wealth. Vitality fuels prosperity. A strong body and mind lead to better decisions, more energy, and ultimately, a richer life. Invest in yourself today. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.